simplify the expression and identify the excluded values. So I'm looking at this, I see in standard form, 4 different terms in the expression in the numerator position. And so I'm going to try to do grouping, factoring by grouping. So I'm going to look at the first 2 terms. What can I take over the first 2 terms? An x squared. So x squared times 2x would be 2x to the third. And x squared times 1 would be x squared. Whatever's in parentheses, it's like you're going to copy and paste it in back. And really lightly, I'm going to put a question mark in front. What times 2x is 18x? Positive or negative 9? And is positive 9 times 1 positive 9? Okay, so how do I write this then? You take what they have in common, what's in front of the first parenthesis, what's in front of the second parenthesis. So before I go any further, when we look at the denominator, a common mistake, and I can see where this easily is done, is people see this and they want to break it into x plus 3 and x minus 3. Turn to your partner. Why can this not break into x plus 3 and x minus 3?
Because it's not negative subtraction.
Has to be a subtraction sign if it's going to happen. Okay, on the bottom, what multiplies to equal negative 30 and combines to give you negative 1? I'm going to do that off to the side. 5 and 6, x minus 6 and x plus 5. They multiply to equal negative 30 and combine to give you negative 1. Don't forget about bottoms up. So this is going to reduce to 3/5. This is going to reduce to 1/2. And now as I write it in the denominator of the simplified version, I'm going to push up the 5 and the 2. 5x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. Whatever's in the top can be canceled in the bottom if they're exactly the same. And my final answer will be x squared plus 9 over 5x minus 3. And if you can do this in your head, wonderful. If not, please take the denominator, set it equal to 0, and solve to find out what is the excluded value. So I'll add 3 to the opposite side and divide by 5 to end up with 3/5.